Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about the latest Tesla incentive, which is giving out like the free supercharging. If you guys follow my channel, when I bought my vehicle itself last year December, I also got the free supercharging, and Tesla is doing it again. And same thing, last year when I bought the car, I didn't order I canceled the order for the Model 3 rear-wheel drive, and I ordered the Model Y from the existing inventory. Okay. So as you can see right here, Tesla is pretty sleeky, because usually when I try to do this, they always pull up the cheapest car, you know. And here we are, when it shows up as like the performance model. Okay, and it looks like they do have a lot of cars in the inventory. Okay. And just like any quarter, Tesla always want to push out the high number of volume. Maybe for one, or maybe number two, because they're going to be releasing a refresh model of the Model 3 called the Project Highland. Who knows, right? But if you're in the market for a vehicle right now, with all the saving and with all the incentive, you know what I mean, it's unbelievable. So recently Tesla announced that all Model 3 qualifies for the 7,500 tax credit. And just yesterday, if you were to buy a vehicle June 14th and pick it up between June 30th, you will also receive 3 months free supercharging. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the performance model first. As you can see here, they show the area where closest to where I live, so which is Los Angeles, and you got San Diego, and coming soon to Palm Springs. Okay, and you go down, and this is like the nice color, the color that I bought. But you know, they have like, look, when I bought this, the car from the inventory, it was, they don't have like one or two, and I have like constantly have to refresh it, and I gotta buy it in a split of seconds. If I don't, other people will buy it. But look at here, we have a lot of choices. So it looks like Tesla want to make their like quarter, you know, sales. So they want to have a lot of sales cars sold. You can pick a lot of models itself: blue, red, gray, all kinds of model, and some of them actually have discounted prices as well too. This right here for the red one is like almost like $3,000 off. Okay, it's really good. So these are the performance. These are super fast. Okay, bigger rims, bigger brakes, you know, suspensions lowered, you know, really, this looks really nice. Okay, as you can see here, 3,000 something off on the discount, and you also get the 7,500 too. And then I think with California, you might even get $2,000 off. So bringing this car up to way cheap, very affordable. Right, so enough with the performance. We can check on the regular, the lower, the rear wheel drive as well, and see. Here, the regular price is $40,240, but currently with the inventory, you get discounted almost like what, $2,000, more than $2,000, and they have like many different type of colors as well too. San Diego area, Los Angeles, Orange County, you name it, white. They got what, like silver, blue. They probably have red as well too. A lot of blues, a lot of gray. Let's see, 39 red. Yeah, they have a red one right here. If somebody's interested in the red one. Okay. So, but Tesla do have a lot. So you right now, you don't have to wait for days. With my experience of buying it off of the inventory, it only took me 2 days. From the, I think I bought it at about 5 or 6 o'clock, and then it took me like for the financing, I got it through Wells Fargo, and it was like in less than 5 minutes I got approved. Everything was fast, you know. Within 2 days I picked up my vehicle, and I'm pretty sure like yours might not be as fast as mine, or it could be faster than mine. Who knows? It depending on where you live and if the vehicle is ready. But all of these vehicles here are in the inventory, ready to be bought. All right. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding about Tesla, feel free to leave it in the comment below. But on that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.